What is up, everyone, and welcome back to my biggest unboxing video yet. These boxes are from NEPA Airsoft. If you are not familiar, I have been buying a rather large collection for the past 6 months from him, and I've been getting questions asking about his quality of product. He is what I call an airsoft collector. He has some of the rarest discontinued items, and they still function, and on top of that, they are all in their original boxes. So today I got 3 boxes. Long box, medium box, and, sorry for that squeaky ass chair, the big box. So we are going to do these in order today, from long box to medium box. So what we're going to do, I'm going to bust out the handy dandy scissors because he used duct tape. He said he was out of packing tape. And some of you guys have asked, well, does he sell other things? Absolutely. I will have his link right here to his YouTube. He should have a video of the items coming soon that he's selling. So some of them will be spoken for by me, but he's going to include them in the video to show you guys the quality. And like I said, most of his items come with original boxes, and if they do not, he finds them eventually and sends them separate. So, this first box, we have our holsters and something else down in the bottom. Here's a hint to what's to come. Anybody know? Any guesses down below? Well, here is the first item that I will reveal. If I can figure out how to get into the box. Just like that. What we have here is the King Arms sawed-off M79 grenade launcher. It has the real metal, real wood, easy to pop open, and comes with another awesome shell with projectiles. They are foam, which I can remove that. And it is green gas. There we go. The light's a little bright, but we'll work with it. So, yes, nice little M79 grenade launcher. And as I said, real wood and metal construction. So, it will definitely be fun to play some cool games with this one. And of course, 40mm grenades, I'm pretty sure, will work regularly in this. These are all airsoft guns. So this is my biggest airsoft collection. So the M79, I'll set that off to the side. And then he included a bunch of the caps for when I decide to have fun and carry multiple grenades, which, as you guys know, I am buying quite a few from his collection. So we are going to set that one off to the side with the stock and the holster. Okay, we're off to the medium-sized box. And the value of the M79 launcher, excluding the different parts and the grenade, he included the grenade, but it is a $250 value, brand new. And as you've seen, original box. So he does take care of all of his stuff. He just has accumulated so much that he is parting ways with stuff that he doesn't use. We're into the second. Now here's the fun stuff. We got 1 and 2. Which one should we do first? We're gonna go left side. So, in this case, is another case. And are you guys ready for this? This one is a test for one of my subscribers, Dennis. My friend, what is this airsoft gun? And I know you know what this one is. It's nice. Double action. Comes with the shells and its own holster. So here we go. We'll go on to the next one, and then we'll do a final review of everything. So we'll set that one off to the side so then I can access it easy at the end of this video. And this case is very, very heavy. And something that I've been wanting for a while. This is the Hfc Mauser broom handle, which is also the stock. It goes right on there. And as you guys know, I am a big fan of the Resident Evil games. This gun was labeled as the Red 9 and Resident Evil 4. So this is pretty awesome. I'm already in love with it. Metal mag, locks in nice. And adjustable sight. And I believe that these are all green gas. And it came with 2 extra mags plus the mag with it. So we have that. Another one that I wanted for my collection for quite a while. So we'll set this one off to the side. Sorry, I like playing with stuff, guys. And then we will have the biggest box coming up, which this item will be a collector display piece. You will not see me run this one often because of what it is and how it looks. So what I'm gonna do, we'll get this open. I'm gonna set it down here on top of this other empty box. And we're gonna get through all of our paper and plastic. So, here's a hint. It's a WeTech. And we have our wood stock for it. With extras, of course. The little mag holder. We got our other cases for this. Or holsters. I'm sorry, not cases, holsters. Yeah, you guys know. We've got our extra grenade toppers. And a bunch of fun little Nerf things to shoot at people. And then the ultimate big boy case sitting deep. Alright, are you guys ready for the ultimate piece to this collection? It is the WeTech P08. But it is the WeTech Chrome Edition Luger. But not only do we have matching mags, we also have 2 fully green gas compatible drum mags for this as well. Fully chrome, full blowback, that safety feature, and it is obviously the pressure blowback, so that's nice. Very sick gun. I'm loving this one already. And as you release the mag, if you are in safety, as I just found out, it releases. So this is an awesome setup. Let's count them up. So we got our holster here, where this goes in, and you can just run it to your belt. Sorry guys, this is an exciting unboxing here. And so it sits like that in the case. Easy to pull out. 1, 2, 3 chrome mags. We got our Allen wrenches. Then we have our 2 drum mags. We got a bunch of extra parts down here. And then we have the black mag as well for this. So these are going to be a really fun thing to run. Everything works great. And we have the stock adapter and everything for that. So we'll set this back in here. This is very impressive. Like I said, guys, there's no higher quality than actually getting the Luger that I've always wanted, a chrome edition at that, with the blowback action. Like, that is awesome to get. And like I said, it comes with a bunch of mags, the drum mags that are green gas, so that will be fun. So we're going to set that off to the side. Let me move that. And then we'll show you guys the rest again. As long as I get my boxes out of the way. As you guys see, I'm in my little studio. So, once again, the Mauser broom handle, HFC. Which that value is $250 originally. The quiz for my little friend, Dennis, that gun is valued at $190. And then, of course, the M79, all wood metal King arms. I believe even Kicking Mustang has one of these that he used, but I think his is upgraded, of course. But yeah, you can see where the grenade would go, shoot out the projectile. So all in all, the M79, the Luger, the Mauser, and then Dennis's favorite gun. All in total, $1,140 for this piece of the collection. Now, if you guys stay tuned over the next couple months, I will have a full collection video of everything I've ever bought from NEPA, including mystery box items that he threw in, like the HFC, the little pistol, which is not by me right now. I was going to pull it out. And then that little Springer shotgun, which is by me. So stay tuned for that, guys. It is a massive collection. I'm talking it is about 2,700, if not more than that. Plus there's other items that we are exclusively working on. So be sure to check out his channel. I will have it at the end of this video, in the description, and a tab that popped up earlier on right there. So until next time, guys, I will see you on the field.